Hello folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make a sliding box like this one. Okay. First things first, we have to print and cut out all templates for the box. They are free and downloadable on the link description below. Make sure you use good quality paper so it won't leave a mark when you slide it open. I use a cardstock paper, but you can use any paper you want. These are the templates for the cardstock. And for the bones, please use the 1.5 millimeter in thickness because this template is made just for this. Okay, let's start with the drawer box. Make sure the cardboard with the same height are sticking on the opposite sides of each other, and then of course we tape it. Then take the blue square and then we gonna tape it to the bottom inside of the drawer. Okay, next we're gonna tape the walls together. The 9.8 should overlap the 9.4 walls because they're wider and it won't move around as much. Don't forget to tape the bottom part as well. Okay, now we are going to wrap it with the outer part of the cardstock. Place it on the center and then don't forget the wider part, in this case 9.8 side of the walls should face the one that have wings because they're wider. Okay, tape it. Fold the wings. The wings are made so that the cardboard, the bones, won't be seen from the outside. Okay. And fold it in. Use scissors if you really can't get it even inside. Okay. Sometimes when I didn't cut the templates accurate enough, it's gonna be wider than it should. So just cut off the corners like I did just now. Okay. That way when you fold it in, it won't actually rip open in the side. Then cut out the excess side, including the outer part. This is the best part of the making. You use scissors to make a defined edge, so it will look great afterwards. Will definitely look more solid that way. Okay, next we're going to make the outer part of the box, the black box. Tape it like we did the sliding box, and then take the smaller part of the templates. We are going to tape the insides. Tape it one by one, side per side. That way they won't make a wrinkly kinda result. When you're done, cut the excess paper so you can tape it without the paper bothering you. Make it solid with the tape. Okay. Now we're gonna wrap the bigger paper on the outside. Leave 1 centimeter so that you can actually put tape on that side, like that, yeah. Then just continue taping, unrolling it off until you are covered. Don't forget the middle part as well. Yep, this is going well. Okay, take scissors and then make a defined edge. Now we're gonna have to fold it in, so you have to cut the sides of the corners so that it will not rip when you fold it in. If you're gonna leave a small part of paper like that one, like the small piece in the corners, that is fine. You can just fold it in with the rest of the paper when you okay, see what I'm doing there? I can just fold it in together. Put in the rest of the tapes. You can try to use a normal glue, but I recommend use double tape because it gives the best result so far. I've tried with every kind of glue, but double tape is the best for me. It works the most. Don't forget to tape the inside part so that when you try to slide the drawer in, it will actually just slide right up like that. So it slides easily. There it is, folks. You can put stickers if you want to have a logo. In this case, it's Foozle.